Welcome to CAMWorks Tips and Tricks. My name is Paul Ludwig, and in this video we're going to be looking at alternative roughing. Let's start out by getting everything set up. I have a generic machine selected. I'm just going to double check my stock manager. Looks pretty good for what we're doing, and then I'll just go ahead and select a coordinate system location. Now that this is set up, what I'm going to do is manually create my mill part setup. I don't want any other features, so I'm going to go ahead and turn those off. We'll select this bottom face so that we're pointing in the right direction. And then I'm going to go ahead and create a multi-surface feature. I'm going to select all displayed. And then in my case, I do have an area clearance already here where it's just going to do the roughing. So I'm going to go ahead and select that, and we'll hit OK, and then I'm going to go ahead and generate my operation plan, and then generate my toolpath. And in this case, we could see that indeed all the roughing on the inside was done. So I don't have to worry about separate features for doing that. I can even go over and maybe use a different size tool. We'll drag and drop onto this 1/2 inch, and you can see that that tool path is a little bit closer to what we're looking for as far as roughing goes. Now, in this case, I'm doing the entire part. So as an added bonus in this video, let me add 2 other operations here that will allow us to mostly complete this part. So we have our roughing. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to right click, go to 3.5 axis mill operations, and I'm going to select flat area. And then I'll just pick this 3/8 tool here, and then we'll go ahead and hit OK, and I'm just going to generate the toolpath. Now this operation is just going to hit all the flat areas, and you can see it hits the top, the lip, the top of each of these features, and then the floor as well. And then one more added bonus or benefit of this method is that I can also add the Z-level milling operations to finish the outside of these. We'll go with a 1/4 inch tool here. I'm going to hit OK. I want to do this last. I'm just going to slide it to the bottom, and then I'm going to generate my toolpath. So we start with an area clearance for everything. We're then able to do a flat area, and then we're able to do a Z-level. So that's a great alternate method of roughing and finishing this type of part if you were to ever run into it. Thanks for watching our video. For more information, scan the QR code or click the link in the description.